We have stock number 2169. This is a 2013 Chevy Silverado C1500. This vehicle just came in. We are selling all the parts off of this salvaged vehicle. If you need any parts for a new model Chevy Silverado, give us a call at 559-264-3673. Clean bed right there. Overall clean exterior. Only damage is really in the front. Here's the interior. The passenger side right there. The rear seats. Again, if you want to see more of our inventory, give us a call at 559-264-3673 or follow us at 559 Parts on Instagram and YouTube.